Okay, today I would like to introduce this V5 Pro body slimming machine for you guys. As we can see, on this machine have three handles. This functional handle and this ultrasound and radio frequencies handle. This has the same functions like this. Also have the radio frequencies and the HEFO function. Now let's see how to install the handle. Power supply here and the biggest one connector here. Match the hole and this jack here. And the biggest and the big one at the below. As we can see, there is an arrow on the connector and match here. And also the small one also has an arrow here, match here. Okay, now here, this is the filter for this handle, and this is the vacuum button for adjust the vacuum power of this handle. Now let's turn on the machine. Firstly, let's see this fixed functional handle. As we can see, it has two cavitation pans here and a vacuum hole. Radio frequencies pans. To set the technical date here. Firstly, we set the energy, start from 3 or 5 for the radio frequencies. And BIO, biological microcurrent, also start from 3 or 4. 3. Cavitation energy, start from 4 or 5. And the time, set 25 or 30. And press to start. And the vacuum, radio frequencies, biological microcurrent. Okay, next is the radio frequencies and the HEFO function handle. Set the technical date on the screen. Enter. As we can see, the handle A is the big one. It's this big one. This more smaller than this. The RF energy set here from 0 to 260, right? Yes. And the HEFO energy set 0 to 10. Normally start from the lowest energy, and according to current feeling to adjust to lower or higher. Start from 1, 20. And this is the handle B here. Also same here, adjust the radio frequencies energy and the HEFO energy. Time adjust 5 minutes. And try this puzzle. And there's a button on the handle. Press this and start to do the operation. Okay, now let's see the operation. Firstly, let's do the fixed functional handle. put some oil on the berry. This big handle mainly for the 5 part, the berry or the back. Firstly, slide the technical date on the handle. And you can according the crank drilling to adjust the vacuum and the cavitation value. Just according the crank drilling to adjust the energy. More power, more effective. This handle can be used 25 to 35 minutes. Okay, now let's see the next handle. The fixed handle uses the oil to do the operation, and the other two artisan RF handle you need to use the gel or the creaming to do the operation. These two smaller handle you can do the treatment on the legs or the arms. Also, according the crash building to adjust the energy. Okay, next is the smallest handle. Mainly for the arms, the smaller part, for the legs, fat. Before the operation, you should slide the technical date on the screen. Start from the rotate the energy and according the gas building to adjust the energy. When you want to adjust the energy, you can direct it adjust here. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, this is the operation method. Now let's see the bottom of the machine. As we can see, when we turn on the vacuum, the machine has a little shaking here because there is a vacuum pump inside the machine for driving the vacuum working. So the shaking situation is normal. Don't be worried. And at the bottom of the machine, but here we will at the shipping way we have a black circle arrow here to stample the vacuum. When you get the machine, you need to take off the black circle arrow. Okay.